In a market flooded with flashy SUVs, not every model is worth your money or peace of mind. That's why today we're laser focused on the 8 most reliable SUVs you can buy in 2025, vehicles that deliver durability, comfort, and smart value year after year. We're talking mechanics approved, consumer reports back picks that resist wear, hold their resale, and perform confidently for miles and years. From compact crossovers to full-size three-row haulers, each of these SUVs checks every box for reliability. If you're done with constant repairs, odd noises, and sudden out-of-warranty bills, this list is your guide. Subaru Forester. If there's one SUV mechanics recommend to always buy used and keep forever, it's the Subaru Forester. Strong, simple, and built around reliability, it's a go-anywhere commuter that rarely breaks. Consumer Reports consistently lists it in the top 3 compact SUVs for dependability and long-term owner satisfaction. With AWD, rugged styling, and smart practicality, it suits families, adventurers, and city drivers alike. Its 2.5L boxer engine runs quietly and nearly maintenance-free beyond basic oil changes. The standard symmetrical AWD system is a drivetrain built to last, smooth engagements, no drama. Rugged yet refined. Roof rails, plastic cladding, and 8.7 ground clearance for light off-road work. Fit and finish are excellent, with consistent panel alignment and corrosion-resistant paint. LED headlights and daytime running lights are durable and widely praised for clarity at night. A trustworthy workhorse look that keeps its value and its structure over years. Spacious and practical with supportive seats, wide seating room even for tall passengers, soft touch dash surfaces, minimal road noise, and a solid infotainment/display system. 11.6 vertically oriented touchscreen is user-friendly, zippy, and defect-free in real-world use. Standard Subaru EyeSight safety tech adds confidence and contributes to its excellent owner approval. It's not flashy, but it's a trustworthy machine that doesn't disappoint. Mechanics say the Forester demands little beyond basic care and rewards drivers with years of trouble-free use. An absolute no-regret pick for reliable daily driving and light adventure. Need more seats and even better fuel efficiency? Coming right up, the Highlander Hybrid. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid is Toyota's answer to the three-row crossover, packed with modern hybrid tech, space for 7, and a lifespan built for legacies. Consumer Reports ranks it among the top midsize SUVs in reliability, and owners rave about low to mid-35 plus mpg real-world economy. Its clean styling masks an ultra-hardy build. Mechanics admire how virtually all parts come together seamlessly in the long run. Twin electric motors and a 2.5L engine combine for smooth power delivery, effortlessly hitting highway speeds. Braking is regenerative and quiet. No harsh stops or crummy pedals. Refined, upscale exterior with tight body panels and well-fitted trim. Hybrid-specific styling cues blue badging. Aerodynamic wheels help its efficiency but never wear poorly. Most vehicles return to shows with almost no structural issues even after winters. Looks modern today and still reliable tomorrow. 3 rows with well-padded seating, intuitive storage, and materials that hide wear and tear. Dashboard is ergonomic, touchscreen crisp, with physical knobs for climate thankfully. Safety tech like blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert are Netflix-level useful, standard across trims. Even base models feel far more upscale than the price suggests, and owners say the interior holds up extremely well. It's future-proofed without gimmicks, hybrid efficiency, plenty of room, solid resale, and low ownership costs. Mechanics say the engine requires nothing but oil, while the hybrid system keeps cruising every day. A smart choice for families who want comfort and confidence that ages well. Looking for compact luxury without risk? The Lexus NX steps up next. Lexus NX. If you want comfort, quality, and peace of mind in a compact package, Lexus delivers. The NX shares Toyota's bloodline and superb reliability ratings, all while offering premium refinement. Consumer reports and mechanic reviews echo that Lexus builds cars worth owning for the long haul, luxury that doesn't cost your future. Choose from efficient non-hybrid, hybrid NX 350h, or plug-in NX 450h Plus. The hybrid variants blend electric oomph with strong durability. Toyota's hybrid mission thrives here. Transmissions shift buttery smooth, and alignment holds even after high mileage. Owners report real-world fuel efficiency in the low 30s mpg, even for RWD setups, and minimal drivetrain issues. Bold styling with mountainous crane wings, ultra-durable paint, and solid body seals. Panel gaps stay tight, pressed aluminum trim resists fading, and LED lighting remains crisp. Looks refined without being common, and holds its look through seasons. Soft touch surfaces, leather-wrapped steering wheel, wood accents, details feel upscale. Dual-zone climate, heated seats, and a quiet cabin ranked among the best for its class. Lexus infotainment is intuitive, not glitchy. Physical starter buttons, not forced menus. Owners frequently report zero rattles after 5+ years. Cabin quality built to solid standards. Luxury with long-term value, rare in today's market. Mechanics admire that Lexus blends upscale materials with bulletproof reliability. A pick for drivers who want excellence today and years from now. Want a true off-roader legend that doubles as a dependable daily ride? The 4Runner is our next pick. Toyota 4Runner. Toyota's body-on-frame icon remains a mechanical marvel, rugged enough for trails, yet dependable enough for daily driving. Mechanics respect how the 4Runner keeps running year after year, even with minimal TLC. Consumer reports and owner reviews consistently praise its durability and ease of maintenance. Armored V6, solid front/rear axle, and real-world driveline mean this rig just keeps rolling. Transmission is simple and reliable, not failing on a whim. Suspension and chassis last longer than most crossovers, thanks to proven truck parts. Owners report lifespans often exceeding 200 to 300k miles without issues. Boxy, bold off-road styling that's built to last. Roof racks, skid plates, and preserved ground clearance matter. Spark-resistant paint, composite bumpers, and weather-resistant trim mean fewer cracks and chips long-term. These trucks weather harsh climates with minimal cosmetic decay. Not luxury, but streamlined and dependable. In-car tech works reliably. Seats are ergonomic and durable. Infotainment holds up. Dash materials don't sag. Window seals don't leak. A cabin that doesn't need harsh words or rubber gloves to maintain. It's the living definition of long-term SUV reliability. Mechanics say it keeps earning miles without asking for mercy. No thrills, just a machine that thrives on simplicity and strength. Inside, it's more function than flash, but everything works. Seats are sturdy, controls are intuitive, and tech like infotainment and climate systems remain dependable. Mechanics say it keeps earning miles without asking for mercy. The 4Runner is a no-nonsense machine that thrives on simplicity and strength. Looking for luxury durability at a larger size? Coming next, a late-stage American favorite. Ford Edge, the underrated American workhorse. Often overshadowed by flashier crossovers, the Ford Edge quietly delivers consistency, comfort, and long-term reliability. Mechanics appreciate its solid 2.0L EcoBoost engine and proven drivetrain, which rarely give trouble if maintained. It's a midsize SUV that doesn't pretend to be a luxury car, but ends up lasting like one. The base 2.0L engine is efficient and responsive, while the 2.7L twin-turbo V6 adds power without losing reliability. The 8-speed automatic is refined and dependable. The Edge handles family hauling and weekend getaways with ease. On the outside, it boasts a bold, athletic look with weather-resistant trim and quality paint. The ST-line trim adds a sporty appearance that ages well. Inside, it's quiet and roomy. Sync 4 infotainment is smooth and intuitive, and even base models offer upscale features like a panoramic sunroof and heated seats. Overall fit and finish impress for the price, with long-term durability. The Ford Edge proves that domestic brands can deliver long-term value without cutting corners. Mechanics say it's one of Ford's most well-rounded SUVs in recent memory. Next up, a European SUV that redefines long-term luxury ownership. BMW X5. When people hear BMW, they often worry about maintenance, but the X5 xDrive 40i breaks the stereotype. This SUV combines German engineering with newfound reliability and mechanical refinement. It's become one of the most trusted premium SUVs in its class, especially from the 2022 model onward. BMW's 3.0L turbo inline-six is smooth, powerful, and built to last. The 8-speed auto transmission is equally robust, and the xDrive system provides reliable performance in all weather conditions. From a driving perspective, it's refined and rewarding. Its exterior styling is modern and premium without being overstated. Paint, panel fit, and trim materials are all excellent and durable. Inside, top-quality leather, aluminum, and stitched surfaces elevate the experience. The iDrive 8 infotainment system is powerful and user-friendly, while the seats and climate control ensure true comfort. It's one of the few luxury SUVs that remains dependable past 100K miles. The X5 offers a premium experience and real-world reliability. Mechanics increasingly recommend it as a luxury SUV that won't break the bank or itself. Want something more rugged and iconic? Let's go back to Japan for a true all-terrain legend. Mazda CX50. The Mazda CX50 is Mazda's answer to adventurous reliability, a rugged, premium-feeling SUV that's making waves. While Mazda has always been known for longevity, the CX50 elevates that with new off-road-ready hardware. It's sporty, comfortable, and according to early mechanic reports, remarkably overbuilt. Engine options include a 2.5L NA and a turbo version, both known for long-term strength. Standard AWD adapts well to snow and dirt, while the proven transmission keeps things smooth. The CX50 drives confidently whether on pavement or gravel. Styling-wise, the wider stance, cladding, and higher ground clearance give it presence. Mazda's design language keeps it looking sleek and modern, while corrosion resistance is among the best in class. Inside, it feels near luxury, with quality stitching, quiet ride dynamics, and functional tech. Even base models get sharp displays, useful driver aids, and smart packaging. It's the rare SUV that's just as great on a mountain trail as it is on the daily commute. Mechanics love the CX50's simplicity and solid engineering. A rising star in the SUV segment that deserves its reliability rep. Let's wrap it all up with what Consumer Reports and mechanics agree on, the most bulletproof SUV verdicts of the year. According to the latest data from Consumer Reports, combined with independent mechanic surveys, the following SUVs dominate in long-term satisfaction. Top tier for reliability: Toyota Highlander Hybrid, Subaru Forester, Lexus NX. Most improved: Ford Edge, BMW X5 post-2022 refresh, Mazda CX50, consistently recommended by mechanics. Toyota 4Runner, Subaru Forester. Across these picks, owners report minimal repairs, low annual maintenance costs, and satisfaction scores above 85%. When mechanics were asked what SUVs they'd recommend to their own families, these models kept coming up. You don't have to roll the dice when buying a new SUV in 2025. These 8 models combine proven engineering, strong resale value, and road-tested durability. Whether you want hybrid efficiency, luxury comfort, off-road toughness, or stylish practicality, there's a pick here that won't let you down. So if you want peace of mind, fewer repairs, and long-term value, choose one of these SUVs and drive with confidence. Like what you see? Hit that like button, subscribe for more trusted car buying guides, and let us know in the comments. Which SUV are you buying this year?